Friday, and usually Fridays are my catch-up days. I leave it open to just finish catching up on whatever work I didn't get done in the week. So I do have time to journal and meditate today, and what I have planned is I need to finish shooting some pickup scenes for video, and then I want to finish the design for the Artist of Life workbook. I do have something I can show you. Hold on. These are the second round of samples that came in for the workbook. The first round, like, they just didn't get it right. I asked for this neutral pastel color, and I don't know, I felt like I couldn't find the right color in these. So I asked for some more, and I finally got a pastel palette. This is going to be the color for the Artist of Life workbook cover. I love the texture here. I hope you can see it. It is a vegan leather. You see how the previous ones, like, it didn't have that grain, and I specifically asked for more of a grain and a soft matte touch, so I'm so excited. Like, these little squares feel so soft, they just make me really happy. Break now. I'm gonna take a Pilates class, get a workout in today. This place is like walkable from my home, so I literally walked like a couple blocks, which I love, and it's a pretty intense class, so let's go. That was tough. It was like a full body workout, focusing on more legs than arms, but it's always really exhausting. And you have to like go slow, so you're just like working those muscles like, oh my god. Now I'm just walking home. I'm walking so slow because my legs are so tired. I'm having these sweet potatoes that I baked the other day, and then that's just like a leftover quesadilla piece, and then I'm gonna add some tzatziki, which is like some Greek yogurt with cucumber. Alright, so now I'm gonna get to work on the workbook design. I hope I finish it today. 2 tips that I want to share on how I've been productive this week working on this design. Number 1 is the Spotify playlist. This is Mozart. So listening to Mozart really helps. I think there's been like studies that prove that Mozart stimulates your brain and makes babies smarter or something like that. So anyway, I feel like it helps me focus a little bit. There's other playlists on Spotify that I also love called Deep Focus, and also Piano in the Background. Another thing I started to use is Toggle. This is a timer so you can keep track of how long you spend on your tasks. So I just started using this to track the amount of time I spend on my workbook, but I think since I'm using a timer, it really motivates me to stay focused. So you see I worked 5 hours, almost 6 hours here, a couple hours here, a few hours here. And to prevent me from going on my phone, I use Forest, which I've mentioned many times before. It's just a simple Pomodoro timer. You can't leave this app once you start planting your tree, or else your tree will die. Okay.
So whenever you're ready.
Ready. So our friends came over and we just hung out at our place for the rest of the night. I didn't really get that much work done, but I'll just finish up the work tomorrow. So now I'm just gonna wash my face, go to sleep. It was so nice to take you guys along with me today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.